Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, a very big welcome. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. In this tutorial, we are going to create a very simple art cover design in Photoshop. So let's get started. I already have the picture I'll use in Photoshop, but I'm going to create a new background for the design. So I'm going to go up to File, click on New. Then I'm going to use the size 2000 by 2000 pixels. I'm going to change my resolution to 300 and click on create. Then I'm going to bring in my picture into the new background I just created. So I'm just going to drag it and drop it in there, and then I'm going to resize it. I'll convert to smart object first. I'm going to click Command T, hold on my Shift on the Mac, on the Windows, hold on Shift and Alt together so you don't get something like this. So I'm just going to adjust it to wherever I want. And click enter. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my rectangle tool and create a rectangle. I just draw it on the picture, and I'm going to resize it. I'm going to take off the stroke. I don't need the stroke. Then I'm going to size it out. I'm going to make it 1100 by 2000 pixels. Click enter and just adjust it. So this looks good. I'm going to go ahead and pick up my type tool, change the color to black, then type in my word, which is let's make a witch. I'm gonna make it small. So I'm going to click Command A to select everything and adjust my text to the center, and that's okay. Click Command D to deselect. So I'm going to make the text layer transparent. I'll double click to bring out the layer style and take down the fill opacity here under the advanced blending and take it down to 0. Then the knockout, I'm going to make it shallow, and then I'll click on OK. I'll now group the text layer and the rectangle layer together. I'll hold on Command and click on both layers and drag them into the folder icon down here, or I can also hold them together and click Command G to put them together in a group. And we can see now the text layer is transparent. Okay, so we're going to add more designs to this. So we're going to pick up our rectangle tool once more, draw out a rectangle, and we're going to choose the size here. So we're going to make it 19 by 18 pixels. This looks good. Just going to make sure we size it. We're going to remove the fill. We don't want that. Then the stroke, we can reduce the stroke to about 15 pixels so it's not too thick. And we can also, let's see, adjust it so it doesn't cover our text. Okay, that looks good. Then we can also add more designs if we like. We pick up our ellipse tool, right click on the rectangle tool, you see the ellipse tool there. Then we can just draw a circle. Hold your shift key and drag, so it's going to be symmetrical. But if you don't hold your shift key, you're going to have a wobbly circle. So it's advisable you hold down your shift key and you're going to get a perfect circle. Okay, just hold it there, and then we're just going to resize it right here. So we can adjust the design if we want here. Make the fill, make the stroke bigger. Okay, so we can make the stroke 40 pixels. Let's see. I think that looks good. Or we can just even switch it up. Make the fill black and make the stroke white. No, let's change it back. Let's switch it back. Okay, this looks better. So I'm just going to duplicate this and put it up there and see if it's going to make a whole lot of sense. Command J to duplicate and just drag it up here. That should be good. So what we can do is add like a filter to this. So just click on color lookup, and we're going to add a filter that will make it look much more better. So I'm going to select the foggy night filter, and I'm going to reduce the opacity to about 50%. And let's see, so it looks better. So the text is much more visible than before with the filter that we just added. So this is it. We can look at what we have before, and this is what we have now. And you can also go extra miles by switching up the colors. You can switch up the color of the rectangles if you like. You can add plain color. You can also change it. You can use a gradient if you like to just make it look better. And that's it. We've been able to create this simple design. I hope this is helpful. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, hit the subscribe button please, and the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Thank you so much for watching, and do have a good day. See you on my next video. Bye.